Welcome to video lecture of class 12. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now start your first chapter is relation and function. This is your fourth lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about some special types of function just like a one function, many one function, onto function, bijective function, etc. Now here we discuss some examples related to that function and solving some questions. Now we recalling that what is one and onto. Now what is one? A function f such that x tends to y is defined to be one if the image of distinct element of x are distinct. That means a function f such that x tends to y is said to be one if every element of x there is an image in y which are distinct. Then we said that that is one function. Now this mathematical form is given below. For every x1 x2 belongs to x, we have fx1 is equal to fx2, therefore x1 is equal to x2. If any function satisfy this relation, we says that that function f is 1. This used for solving questions. Now what is onto? A function f such that x tends to y is said to be onto if every element of y is the image of some element of x. That means this f is said to be onto if every element of y is the image of some element of x. Every element of y is the image of x. Now this is the format of onto. Now the mathematical form of onto is for every small y belongs to y. Here capital Y we get takes small y in y, there exists an element x in x such that fx equal to y. That means we take small y in y, then there exists an element small x in x such that fx is equal to y. This condition are hold. If this condition are hold in any question, we say that function is onto. Now in both relation uses you solve questions. Prove that the function f such that r to r given by fx equal to 2x is 1 and onto. Here r is the set of real number. Now we solving this for 1. For 1 we taken as two element x1 x2 belongs to x is same as let x1 x2 belongs to r in domain x1 x2 belongs to r as fx1 is equal to fx2. Here fx equal to 2x, in a place of x we put x1, then we get fx1 is equal to 2x1, here 2x2, 2 cancel out, we get x1 is equal to x2 just like a previous formula. Now we get x1 is equal to x2, then given function f is 1. Now for checking onto, condition of onto checking is this small y belongs to y. We taken as this relation r. For any real number y belongs to r, there exists x is equal to y by 2 belongs to r. How comes this? We put y belongs to r, we put 2x equal to y. Here 2 is multiply, for transforming we get divide x equal to y by 2, so we get x equal to y by 2 is belongs to r. Now such that the condition is fx. Now we get x is equal to y by 2, we get in place of x we put y by 2, f y by 2 in 2x y by 2, 2 cancel, we get y. Now we get fx equal to y, hence f is onto. This is the format of onto. Now for second question, so that the function f such that r star to r star defined by fx equal to 1 by x is 1 and onto, where r star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Now here a function f defined to r star where function is defined by fx equal to 1 by x. Now solving for 1, we take two elements x1 x2 belongs to this domain as fx1 is equal to fx2. As function is fx equal to 1 by x, we put in place of x x1, in place of x x2. We get fx1 is equal to 1 upon x1, fx2 is equal to 1 upon x2. Therefore x1 is equal to x2, we get f is 1. Now this given function is 1. For checking onto, for small y belongs to r star, we take small y in r star. For satisfying this, their function is fx equal to 1 by x, then we assuming y, so we assume 1 upon x equal to y. Y is equal to 1 upon x, we get x equal to 1 upon y. We putting this, there exists an x equal to 1 upon y in r star, here r star taken as this, such that fx in place of x we put 1 upon y, f 1 upon y, fx equal to 1 by x. Similarly, this satisfying fx equal to 1 upon y. Solving, we get y. We get fx equal to y. This is the pattern of onto, so f is onto. So given function f is 1 1 and onto both. So it is also a bijective. Now using this you can solve your homework. State whether the function is 1 1 and onto or bijective. First question is f such that R2 are defined by fx equal to 3 minus 4x, and second one is f such that R2 are defined by fx equal to 1 plus x square. Both question for checking view 1 1 onto and bijective. Using this you can also solve your exercise related to this. Thank you.